Test 3A and 3B. Exercise K.
The Westfield Stratford City Shopping Centre is not the biggest shopping centre in the UK. There are two others bigger than it, in fact. However, it has got more visitors. 40 million people shop there every year. The shopping centre is in Stratford in London. There are about 280 shops and 70 restaurants. There are also 2 hotels and a cinema with 17 screens. There is a huge car park, but the centre is right next to Stratford Station, so it is easy to get there by train. In fact, 80% of shoppers get there by train or bus. The video for British singer Olly Murs' 2012 hit Oh My Goodness shows him walking and running around the Westfield Stratford City shopping centre.